gripper action multiplies your force. By pulling the headrest toward you, the prong exerts concentrated pressure against the rigid frame, which tempered glass cannot withstand. This technique shatters the window instantly, allowing you to exit before the cabin completely fills with water. In a rollover crash, you may find yourself hanging upside down. If your full body weight is suspended by the seatbelt, the internal latch is loaded with hundreds of pounds of tension and will not unlatch. To clear the mechanism, you must brace one hand against the roof and push upward. Taking your weight off the belt creates the slack necessary for the release button to function. The polyester webbing of the belt itself is identical in width and tensile strength to the webbing used in military-grade tourniquets. If a crash causes arterial bleeding and a sharp edge or tool is available to sever the belt, the material can be wrapped above the wound.